Hey there, binary option traders. If you're on the hunt for a new and trustworthy trading platform, you may have come across Pocket Option. But here's the big question. Is Pocket Option legal in the US? Let's find out. I'm Jolim, and I've tested dozens of options brokers over the years, and I've been featured on Business Insider, Yahoo Finance, NASDAQ, and more. So, is Pocket Option legal in the US? Technically, you can access the website, use their demo account, and join their affiliate program while in the US. But when it comes to trading with real money, things aren't so straightforward. Pocket Option claims to be licensed, but the regulator they mention, this one, isn't recognized by the top US authorities like the SEC or the CFTC. This means it is not fully compliant with US regulations. So, what does this mean for US traders? You can sign up for an account and use the demo trading feature. You can also join their affiliate program to earn money by recommending others, but trading with real money is technically against their terms and conditions. That being said, I am personally from the United States of America, and I have found no problem with them freezing my accounts or funds, and there is no problem with me withdrawing money, so from personal experience, this is not enforced. However, their terms and conditions do say that they can limit service to you, aka freezing assets, if you are from the USA, for example. Some traders try to get around this by using VPNs or proxy servers for additional security to hide that you're from the US. This may or may not work. So, can you trade with Pocket Option in the US? Yes. Is it recommended? That part's iffy. It isn't regulated by a top tier regulator, and their terms and regulations specifically state that you cannot use it if you're in the countries like the US, UK, Germany, Japan, and more due to regulatory issues. On the flip side, Pocket Option is popular in countries with less strict regulations, such as the UAE, Thailand, and Nigeria. So, to wrap it up, while Pocket Option is a reputable platform with millions of users worldwide and overwhelmingly positive reviews, it's against their terms and conditions to trade in the US due to regulatory issues. Trying to bypass these regulations is a possibility that you can try, or you can look for another potential binary options broker. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.